Cat videos dominate YouTube. But what if I could create unlimited viral content automatically? We're breaking down the exact formula creators are using to generate thousands of dollars monthly with AI-generated cat videos. Cat content consistently outperforms every other niche on YouTube. E-tools now generate photorealistic videos in minutes. Creators are combining trending audio, perfect pacing, and adorable visuals, all AI-powered. The barrier to entry, zero. The earning potential, thousands monthly through ads, sponsorships, and licensing. Start with specific prompts: fluffy orange cat playing with yarn, cinematic lighting, 4K quality. Use Runway, Pika, or Midjourney for video generation. Stack trending audio from Epidemic Sound. Edit 3 to 60-second clips. Upload daily for algorithm boost. Incocritiu Day for Epidemic Sound. Consistency beats perfection. Post 5 videos weekly for exponential growth. YouTube Partner Program requires 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Achievable within weeks with viral cat content, layer revenue, AdSense, TikTok Shop integration, licensing clips to stock sites, Patreon memberships. Trending cat clips earn $50,000, $2,000 citation. Cross-post on Instagram Reels, TikTok for amplified reach. Avoid repetitive prompts, vary breeds, locations, scenarios. Never copyright infringe audio jaws, trending sounds strategically. Post during peak hours, 6-9 p.m. weekdays. Avoid over-editing, natural aesthetics perform best. Track analytics obsessively. Double your revenue by licensing compilations to media companies. We need to start, like, subscribe, and come into favorizations of media companies.